Hi friends, let's see some of the kitchen items. We'll get familiar with these kitchen items in the upcoming slides. Okay, the first one is grater. You might have seen this. This is used for shredding or grating fruits, vegetables, cheese and other food items. Peeler. Peeler is designed for removing the outer skin or peel of fruits and vegetables. This is a whisk. Okay, this is a tool for mixing and blending ingredients, especially in baking and cooking. Chopping board. Chopping board provides a sturdy surface for chopping, slicing and preparing food items. This is a can opener. This is essential for opening canned goods and containers. This is an image of a corkscrew. Corkscrew is designed for removing corks from wine bottles. This is spatula. This is pronounced as spatula. This is used for flipping, lifting and spreading food items during cooking or baking. This is a ladle. Ladle is a large spoon with a deep bowl, and this is used for serving soups, stews and sauces. This is an image of a toaster. Toaster is an appliance used for toasting bread slices to desired crispiness. Now comes the image of a microwave. Microwave is an appliance which is used for quickly heating and cooking food. This is a kettle. Kettle, Kettle. This is used for boiling water, typically for making tea, coffee or other hot beverages. This is image of a bowl. This is pronounced as bowl. A deep round dish used for serving soups, salads, cereals and other dishes. Cutlery. General term for knives, forks and spoons used for eating or serving food. This is image of a knife. Knife is again used for cutting, slicing and chopping various food items. This is an image of a fork. It is a utensil with prongs used for picking up and eating food. These are the prongs. Okay, this fork has 4 prongs. This is image of a chopstick. Chopsticks are traditional utensils and it is generally used in Asian cuisine for picking up and eating food items. That's it. If you liked the video, you can like, share and subscribe. And moreover, a list can be found in the description. You can go there and download a list of the utensils that can be used in the kitchen or elsewhere. So check that link, go there and download the PDF. Thanks for watching.